No. Oh.
Give us a kiss. Good boy. If you've been following the Chronicles of Ozzy, you'll realise that we've been trying to teach him some certain tricks, i.e. give us a kiss, fetch and run through a tube, etc. So what I've tried to do today is try and stick them all together. Ozzy, give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Good boy. Good boy. And now let's see if we can get him to go through the apparatus. Ozzy. Through. Good boy. And let's see if we can get him to do it again. Practice makes perfect. Ozzy, through. Good boy. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Good boy. Good boy. There we are.